Hey guys, this is Connor with Utah Airguns. Today we're going to talk about Breech O-Rings. So if you shoot a lot of air guns, if you're into air guns, you're going to run into a broken or blown out Breech O-Ring. It's a wear item on the guns. It's going to be back here right where the pellet loads in. The pellet or slug going over that O-Ring kind of wears it. Sometimes if you double load the gun or if you have a malfunction with the gun, that'll tear that Breech O-Ring out. So it's going to be kind of a common thing for you to replace it. We sell them on our website. We sell a 3-pack. We just need to know the caliber. I think you're $4.99 for a 3-pack of those O-rings. We always invite people to order a couple of them just to have them on hand in case there's any issues. So to do that on an impact, you're going to need to remove your barrel first. So that's just the screw back here. It's a 3mm. You'll loosen that up and then pull your barrel out of the gun. And then the Breech O-Ring is going to be in the back here, just inside that breech. This one has one intact, but we'll pick it out just to show you. So if you pull that out, they can be kind of difficult sometimes to get them out. So you pull that out and then you get your new one. Kind of the way we do it here is you'll kind of pinch it just so it squeezes in half and then slide it in. And then you can use a pick to roll it into place, or what works really good is like a 2.5mm ball end Allen wrench with that little ball on there. You can use the gap between the ball and the end to kind of push it in and slide it down and roll it into the groove. Once it's installed, you're ready to go. You're just going to slide your barrel back in. Make sure that the gun is lined up with the notch in the barrel and that your barrel is seated all the way back. And then you'll just tighten up your 3mm screw and you're ready to go. That's pretty simple, guys. That's how you do it. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call or leave a comment below. Thanks.